Hey there, welcome back to Project Have I Lost My Mind? And yeah, sometimes I think I have. What's this dark greasy lump got to do with our silver TR7 drop head coupe, or convertible if you prefer? Well, you may recall from the last episode, the car was done. It was ready to go for its provincial inspection, or in other parts of the world you may call it an MOT or a state inspection. But after I shot the last video, I decided to take it for one last drive, which I did. And car drove beautifully. The only problem was, during that drive, the head gasket failed catastrophically, pressurized the engine, blew off a heater hose, and overheated the motor. So that was a disaster. Now, fortunately, I had a second engine, which you'll see in the pictures that follow. Which then took a couple of weeks to install and get sorted out before I finally did get the car out to its inspection. And this project's now complete. Lovely little car, and you'll see some pictures of it just at the end of this video. But it's been a long journey on this one with lots of dips and turns. But as all the video segments show, it's something that you can do. And while it can be a challenge sometimes, and you get surprises like this engine pulled on me, it's well worth the effort. Now, you're wondering why the head gasket failed? Well, previous ownership, as we know throughout this video, didn't take really good care of the car. And the antifreeze, even though I changed it, hadn't been changed in years. It had become acidic. It ate its way into the head gasket. Head gaskets on the original TR7s weren't known for being the strongest in the world, and the combination of the two caused a failure between cylinders 3 and 4 and into the cooling system. That pressurized the cooling system with combustion gases. Those combustion gases caused a heater hose on the back side of the engine to blow, blew all the coolant out, and within a couple of kilometers the engine had spiked, overheated, and I ended up with a mess. Now, the saving grace of this is that now this engine is going to become part of TR7 Evolution. It'll become the core motor that we're going to be building to put into our green coupe, and we're going to take some steps and go through a full rebuild program on the engine. So you'll be able to revisit this engine in a few months at TR7 Evolution. In the meantime, please do enjoy the snapshots of the removal process, the reinstallation, and the completed car that follow in this video. So, as this project closes out, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please do check out the other playlists, and like, share, and subscribe. For now, take care, and thanks for hanging in with us through the long journey on bringing this very, very original, very nice Triumph TR7 back to life.